Greetings. Today we will make tasty crispy fried zucchini slices. This is very quick and delicious recipe. You can make it in 10 minutes. Prep the zucchini. Wash the zucchinis and slice them into rounds or sticks, about 1 4-inch thick. You can choose the shape you prefer. Did you know? Health benefits. Low in calories. Zucchini is a low-calorie food, making it suitable for weight management. Rich in fiber. The dietary fiber in zucchini supports digestion, aids in maintaining a healthy gut, and promotes a feeling of fullness. Vitamins and minerals. Zucchini provides essential nutrients like vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and potassium, which is important for heart health and fluid balance. Health benefits. Low in calories. Zucchini is a low-calorie food, making it suitable for weight management. Hydration. Zucchini has a high water content, contributing to hydration and overall well-being. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in zucchini, particularly in its skin, help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat eggs until smooth. You can mix it all together or apart. Mix zucchini and flour with eggs. Tell us where you are watching this video from. Chop the garlic into small pieces. Garlic is optional. You may not add it to the dish. In a skillet, heat about 1/4 inch of vegetable oil over medium heat until it's hot but not smoking. Carefully place the coated zucchini slices in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the skillet. Fry in batches if necessary. You can add a garlic that was chopped before, or fry the zucchini for 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Did you know? Post World War II. Introduction. Zucchinis, as we know them today, were not a common sight in American gardens and kitchens until after World War II. It was during the 1940s and 1950s that zucchinis gained popularity in the United States, largely due to the influence of Italian immigrants who brought with them a love for this versatile vegetable. Italian influence and adoption. Italian cuisine traditionally features zucchinis in various dishes, and Italian immigrants played a significant role in introducing zucchinis to American diets. These immigrants began growing and cooking zucchinis, and their enthusiasm for this vegetable gradually spread to other communities. Name origins. Interestingly, the name zucchini itself has Italian origins. It is derived from the Italian word zucchino, meaning small squash. The Italian influence is a testament to the role that immigrant communities have played in shaping the American culinary landscape. Culinary evolution. As zucchinis became more widely known and available, American cooks began experimenting with this versatile vegetable. Zucchinis were incorporated into various recipes, from casseroles to bread and muffins. Over time, they became a staple in gardens, farmers markets, and grocery stores across the country. Let me know in the comments if you have a different zucchini recipe. You can cook the zucchini in whatever shape you like. Small pieces are more suitable as a snack, and large pieces as a separate dish that can be served both on its own and with the addition of various seasonings and sauces. It's so delicious that I can't eat just one serving. I always take an extra portion. Inside they are tender, and outside with a small crispy crust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me.